Hello class. The last part of this video series is the assessments. So let me explain to you how you will be assessed this semester. Because we have such a short time to deliver the course, I plan to combine learning outcomes 1, 2, and 3 into one exam. It's a heavy mark, almost like a final exam. This has not been approved yet. However, because of the short time frame, I can't see how we can have two individual tests because there won't be enough time to deliver the material if we are preparing for the test. A lot of your work will come from your practical experiments and the BB Learn assignments. There will be no time for quizzes because we have a lot of material that we must cover in a short period of time. And then, of course, there is a common exam at the end of the summer. Once again, I'm submitting this to be approved by the Faculty of Engineering. I would like for you to keep track of your work so that you can track your progress through all of these assessments. At the end, when you get to your coursework, you will have a certain number of points that you have collected based on the results of your coursework. And you need 60 points in order to pass the course. And in this example here, this student received 59.1 just from their coursework alone, which means they only need 0.9 points to pass. That's a very, very small value. However, since this is the summertime, you may be stressed with trying to accumulate points. So you may only accumulate 50 points with your coursework, and you'll need approximately 10 points to pass, which means you have to do a little bit better on the final exam in order to pass the course. Now, I'm not stressing 60 points. You can substitute this number with 70, 80, or 90, or whatever score that you would like to try to accumulate over the course of the semester. But what you do at the end is take the number of points that you need divided by 0.3, and that will be the score that you have to score on the final exam to get the points that you want. This is the grade point that is calculated at the end of the semester when you get your final score. I will have a late submission policy. In the summer, we do not have time to have late work submitted. So you must submit your work on time. So if you submit your work late with no excuse, you'll lose 10% immediately. And then you'll lose 2% for each day. Once again, I will make sure that my supervisor approves this late policy. And if it needs to be adjusted, we'll do it. I expect all of my wonderful students to follow all of the guidelines with regards to academic honesty and attendance. And again, if you need special attention, we have a counselor. She's been moved down to the first floor and she's ready, available right next to the engineering wing. So I hope you enjoy this course. And again, this is your class and your efforts will create success for you. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in class.